if you drag and drop a number of files to be uploaded, and then you immediately navigate to the end of the queue, this is the view you will normally get when the last item is uploaded. However, you should always review the entire queue because sometimes you'll find out that some items not in view have failed. And you need to fix these or know what they are, otherwise you're going to have a defective upload list. So I'm going to click this item to retry the upload and see what happens. And that seemed to work. So that one finished off. Sometimes that doesn't happen that way. Sometimes you'll get failures that you can't fix or failures that seem to be associated with inability of the queue to refresh properly. You can't fix that display anytime because if you go back in, you might find that it's uploaded. So what I'm getting at is that when you are in the queue should list or have a warning that some items didn't upload correctly, even if they're not in sight. That way, you would have a heads up that you should find out what went wrong before going on to the next upload.